Hello and welcome back to Teacher Tycoon. Here, you get to see videos on teaching and lifestyle. Today's video is related to environment made especially for class 5. But even you can watch it as it is packed with environmental related problems and their solutions. The topics that have been covered in this video are deforestation, pollution, environmental balance, global efforts, biodiversity, national park, sanctuaries, and Devrai. Without wasting any time, let's begin with the video. To understand about deforestation, we should first know what's a forest, why is a forest so important. So let's begin. A forest is a large land with many trees. Besides the desert and the North and the South Pole, we can find forest almost in every part of the world. And as forests have a countless variety of different plants, trees, bushes, vines, it serves home to many animals, birds, and insects. And all these living flora and fauna are completely dependent on each other for survival. Forests are said to be the lungs of our planet Earth as they purify the air. Forest trees also help to protect the soil from erosion. Moreover, they protect the land from the stormy winds and the enormous water. Many natural resources like food, wood, fuel, natural fiber, etc., are obtained from the forest. These are further used for making furniture, construction items, shelter, clothes, medicines, and whatnot. And for thousands of years, people are cutting down the forest. This enormous cutting down, the world's forests are in danger of disappearing, and that is what is for deforestation. So let's define it. Deforestation is clearing or cutting down the forest. Do you all know what's the effect of deforestation? Loss of habitat. That means it mess ups with the food web and the food chain. As we have discussed before, that all the living things are totally dependent on each other. Soil erosion and flooding, and of course global warming. These After addressing deforestation, let us move on to next environmental issue, pollution. What is pollution? The contamination of air, water, or soil due to the natural occurrence or human activity is called pollution. Now, what do you mean by contamination? Contamination means dirtying something or altering something. When the water, the soil, or the land is being spoiled, is getting dirty by humans, that is called pollution. Basically, there are four major types of pollution: the air pollution, the water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. The composition of gases in nature is fixed, where the nitrogen and oxygen are in a larger amount. But due to the continuous release of harmful chemical gases emitted from vehicles and factories, this natural composition has been altered, which has led to severe air pollution all over the globe. When the water that has been released from chemical factories are directly thrown away in the water bodies get contaminated. Even while using water vehicles, the fossil fuel gets mixed up with the water, which leads to water pollution. Extensive use of chemical fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides make the land infertile, which leads to land pollution. And pollution is also caused by improper disposing of the waste materials by humans. Sound pollution. Sound pollution is also called invisible pollution. So, what is sound pollution? The sound that can harm a person or any other creature is called a sound pollution. Sound that has been created by drilling the mountains, the loudspeakers, the DJs are the main cause of sound pollution. as the length of the video it's getting long, I have planned to divide the video into two parts. The first part, which you're seeing right now, is the environmental problems, and the solution will be coming up in the next video, which I'll be uploading it as soon as possible. Getting the notification of the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and also click onto the bell icon. Thank you.